When you're a video game developer, you have to put yourself in the mindset of the character of your game. And that is why I've been living here for the last month. It's the quiz of the pig! Yeah! This game is hard, so expect to fail. 4 times 16? I don't know! How do you get -5 points? And there's no ending. Okay, we have the escape of Piggly Wiggly. Yes, let's see how it goes. Hi, Piggly Wiggly. Great to meet you. Nice grassy farm. Where's the mud? Okay, that night. How can we get bacon? Don't eat Piggly Wiggly. Yeah, you should squeeze through the fence. All right, he can't fit. Okay, we have Piggly Wiggly by TCSR Choi. How do we play this? Okay, we have a WASD to move, and then, oh, also, are those loaves of bread? This game, it's scrolling, but it's a platformer. I've got negative points. What's going on here? We have When Pigs Fly by XX Froggy Chair. Froggy Chair? Sounds good. Let's play the game. Okay, so I'm a piggy. I can go up and down, and there's presents everywhere for me to click on? It's a clicker? Okay, so not the most violent game. We have Piggly Wiggly Escape by T Puppies. Let's go. Okay, come on, Piggly. It looks like I can go faster with WASD. Here we go. That isn't even possible. And now for a really scary game. In fact, I refuse to play this game without all the lights on. Who's coming for me? I don't know. I'm so scared. We have Piggy Cube by Stu19. What a name. You are a pig who ran away from a factory. You must grab a key to save all your friends from dying.